In this video, I show you how to download and install Sims 4 for free. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my desktop and let's get right into this. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up an internet browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you'd like. Then come to a search engine. And what you need to do is just go and search for The Sims 4 or Sims 4. So type in Sims 4 just like so and hit enter. Then what you want to do is make sure you go to EA's website. As you can see, this is EA.com. What you want to do is click on it. EA basically owns Sims 4, that's why it says that. And we're now on the Sims page on the EA website. And what you need to do is go to the top right where it says play for free. We can go and click on our downwards arrow. And as you can see, we've got all these different options. So if we're using a Windows computer, we can go and use the EA app. And if we're using a Mac, you can use Origin. However, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click EA app for Windows just like so. So now what's going to happen is you need to go and click on the download now button, and we need to go and click on EA app for Windows once again, just like that. And then the EA app installer will be downloaded. Now every browser is slightly different. Because I use Google Chrome, my downloads appear in the bottom, but if you don't, your downloads are going to be in your file explorer. But what we need to do is go and install the EA app, because without the EA app, we can't then go and install Sims. So as you can see, here we are, let's go and install this. So press let's go, you're going to go and get a Windows security pop-up and it's just going to go and do some downloading. You can now close off your browser, so sit back and wait for this to finish. And then you'll need to go and sign into your EA account or Origin account. If you don't have one, then come to the bottom and go and press create account. And if you'd like to go and sign with a social media, you can also do that as well. And then once you've signed in, the EA app will load and we can now go and search for games. So what you want to do is come to the search bar and go and type in Sims, just like so, and hit enter. I'll just hit enter like that. And now here we are. As you can see, The Sims 4 is free to play. So we can now go and tap on it just like so. Wait for it to load and here we are. And all we need to do is go and tap on download just like so. And it will take a moment to start downloading. As you can see, we're now circling and you'll need to go and sort of sort out your download options. So firstly, you need to go and decide where you want to go and install The Sims 4 to. I might change that to my hard drive. So I'd go and click change. And you can also go and choose if you want a desktop shortcut as well. And then once you're happy with these settings, you can go and press next, just like so. And also you need to go and install these other applications, but this is going to be done automatically. And then you can hit install and then The Sims is going to download and install it in your computer. And then once it's gone and downloaded and installed, to go and find it, you're going to be able to find it in your My Collection page. So click My Collection, and this is going to show you all of the games which you've had on your computer. You can click on it, and then there's going to be a play button instead of the download button. If you guys found this guide useful, please go down below and consider subscribing.